Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel Electrical Boost. Today we are going to discuss supernode. Okay, supernode is a concept. It used some condition way. Okay, in previous video we know how to solve general nodal analysis. Okay, if a voltage source present in between two non-reference node, then we can apply supernode analysis. Okay, here we see, here the circuit is given that like that. Okay, our job to first find a number of node. Okay, this is a node, and then this is a node, and this whole is a node. Okay, according to nodal analysis method, we take one of the node as reference node. We take this one as reference node, and this node are non-reference node. Okay, here the voltage source present in between two non-reference node. Okay, so we cannot directly apply nodal analysis because we did not know how much current is flowing through the node 1 to node 2. This is node 1 and this is node 2. Okay, so we consider these two node as super node. Okay, so we consider these two node as super node. Okay, the condition for supernode is that if a voltage source is present in between two non-reference node. Okay, here this node as super node. We can apply here KCL. Okay, here this is V1, or this current is flowing 2 ampere, so that this is minus 2. Okay, this current is plus V1 minus 0 by 6. Okay, then you can directly shift to the node 2 because this is eliminated as considered as single node. Okay, so that this is V2, then plus V2 minus 10 divided by 2, then plus this is V2 minus 0 by 4 is equal to 0. Okay, this is our first equation. Okay, then we need to find our second equation because there is two unknown quantities, so that we need two equation. Okay, our second equation is we can apply KVL in node between V1 and V2. Okay, so that in between V1 and V2, okay, V1 minus V2 is equal to 5 volt. Why I need consider V1 minus V2? Because the plus terminal is connected to V1, so that we consider as V1 minus V2. If negative terminal is connected to V1, so this is just like reverse. Okay, this is our second equation. If we solve those two equations, we find V1 and V2. Okay, thank you for watching this video. In our next video, we are consider solve some numerical problem using supernode analysis. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.